Hi, welcome to this short video about ethics in the ICAEW Case Study exam. My name is Sarah Alcock and I'm the Online Learning Design Manager at Training by EOS. You're told in the advanced information that ethics is worth approximately 10% of your case study mark. Ethics is defined by the examiners as lack of professional independence or objectivity, conflicts of interest, doubtful accounting or commercial practice, or inappropriate pressure to achieve a result. There is also a fifth way ethics can come into the case study exam: damage to reputation. If the damage is to the reputation of our company, this is usually addressed well by case study students. But if the damage is tangential, if it is damage by association, answers generally do not score as well. So what is damage to reputation by association? The information you need is often, although not always, found in a media article. It might be that another company in the industry, perhaps a supplier or a competitor, has had an issue, maybe health and safety or IT, for example. If their reputation is being damaged, could being associated with them damage our reputation? Remember, everything in the exam exhibits are there for a reason, so do not ignore issues that might be thought of as not our problem. Perhaps the issues being faced by another company could happen to us, or perhaps reputational damage to other companies can impact our business too. So let's think about your exam technique for ethics. Here at Training by EOS, we love a planning sheet. They keep your answer structured and make sure you don't miss anything, while at the same time stopping you from overwriting. We have a strict approach that we apply to all ethical issues, whichever requirement they appear in. Firstly, you're going to write a description of the issue. You can't assume all of the board know what's going on. Summarize the key elements in one paragraph within the main part of your report. Who are the parties involved? What is the problem? And why is it a problem? Or why might it be a potential problem for us? You will write this under an appropriate heading, which is not ethics. Using ethics as a heading will lose you the mark for headings and layout in the OAC box on the marking key. Use the name of the company involved or what the issue is, health and safety, for example. Next is a risk assessment. Is the risk high, medium, or low for our company? And why? You don't have to get the risk assessment right. If you say medium and the examiners think it's high, you're not going to automatically fail the section. But stating a risk level gives you something to structure your discussion of the risk on. You must give a relevant reason. Relevant means information from the exam exhibits and the AI. In terms of structuring your answer, this conclusion will go under your overall conclusions and recommendations heading for the relevant requirement. Finally, you're going to write two recommendations. The first is what you're going to do immediately to stop the problem escalating. If it's low risk issue that doesn't affect us, then no immediate action required is a perfectly good conclusion. The second recommendation is what you are going to do in the long term to stop the problem reoccurring. Let's work through a house pride ethics exercise together. Here's an example of what a media article might look like in the exam. Remember, you're going to include a description of the issue, a conclusion, and two recommendations. Take some time now to write your answer, and once you've done this, I'll take you through our ideas. Pause the video now. Let's start with the summary of the issue, health and safety. This scenario is drawing on your AI preparation, knowing that HP's client has plans to acquire Doubtful, linking RR Construction to HP. We've judged this to be a low risk at the moment. There is currently no link between HP and RR Construction. However, After the acquisition, there is a risk of damage to reputation by association for Orco, potentially affecting HP's business. So the action to take immediately is to monitor the relationship between Orco and RR. And in the longer term, we need to be ready to raise the issue with Orco in the future to protect HP's reputation by only doing business with ethical companies. The examiners have flagged a lot of potential ethical issues in the House Pride Advanced Information, and we are not trying to guess what they will include on exam day. The purpose of this exercise and our full mock exams is to give you an opportunity to practice applying your AI knowledge to an exam-style scenario. This video is available on our website, and the course contains 3 further HP ethics scenarios with illustrative answers. We also link to articles that will help your own research about ethics in the construction industry. Go to training-by-eos.com and follow the link to all courses, then free courses, to join HP Ethics and access these resources.